Hey flooring friends, come join me on a ride to an at-home consultation in San Diego. Here I am getting into the van and getting ready to head over to my customer. I have my energy drink today, no coffee, but of course as soon as we arrive to our appointment, we like to do a nice little consultation on what exactly we'd like. I'll do my measurements and then I go ahead and grab some samples. My customer for today is looking to replace her old carpet with some new carpet for her rental that she's eventually going to be moving into in the future. Now she was deciding between certain plushes and certain Berbers, so I went ahead and grabbed a few of our favorites and headed back over to her apartment. After I got upstairs, I went ahead and laid out all the samples for her to look at her options, and of course the most cutest thing happened. Her dog went on one of our samples, and who would have known that she would have gone on our Pet Perfect carpet. She was just so patient and so sweet. She just loved that carpet. She sat there the whole entire consultation. Although I was super distracted with the cuteness, we ended up with some nice selections for her to receive an estimate on, so here I am putting back my samples. After that's all done, I'll be hitting the road again back to our office. And that's all we have for this ride with me. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I hope to see you next Friday. Have a wonderful weekend and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye, guys.